Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GoDaddy for real estate domain registration. Easy tutorial, step by step, clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy website. In the top search bar, type in the desired domain name related to real estate. Press the enter key to see available options. Review the list of domain names that match your search. Select a domain that suits your needs by clicking the Add to Cart button. Once you've selected your domain, you will be redirected to your cart. Here, you may see additional options for domain privacy and protection. Choose to add these options if you wish, or click Continue to Cart. Review your cart to ensure everything is correct. Click the Continue to Checkout button when ready. If you have a GoDaddy account, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new account. Fill out the required fields with your personal information, including your email and password. After entering your information, click the Create Account button. You will now be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your billing address and payment details accurately. Once all fields are complete, review your order one last time. Click the Complete Purchase button to finalize your domain registration. You will receive a confirmation email confirming your domain registration. Log in to your GoDaddy account to manage your new domain. Explore the settings to customize your domain as needed. Congratulations, you've successfully registered your real estate domain with GoDaddy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.